It's a pleasure to have you gentlemen here from Bosnia to Sabhan in Kuwait, where you can find a different kind of sectors of industrial sector in Kuwait, which have the food and constructions and electricity, all kind of also furniture. Sabhan considered as one of the industrial areas in Kuwait where you can find all kind of sectors here. And as you see, guys, when you come and see the place and the different factories, there was a couple of discussion between the Bosnian side and the Kuwaiti side for future investment and cooperation on this sector. And after that, we're gonna have the exhibition of Bosnia tomorrow. If you like to see the Bosnian industrial in Kuwait, you can come to Kuwait Chamber and take a look at it.